As I rotate the screen is medyo nakakahilo siya. Tignan naman natin dito sa ROG Xbox Ally X. As may kita nyo, napaka-smooth niya. Umaabot siya ng 50 to 60 FPS. So guys, dumating na nga yung bagong handheld ni ASUS, which is the ROG Xbox Ally X. So this is actually a new model, higher specifications, higher memory, higher processor compared dun sa dating ROG Ally. And just for comparison, magte-test tayo ng isa sa mga AAA games, which is the Expedition 33. Kanyang FPS right now is naglalaro ng mga 10 FPS. As I rotate the screen is medyo nakakahilo siya. Tignan naman natin dito sa ROG Xbox Ally X. As may kita nyo, napaka-smooth niya. Umaabot siya ng 50 to 60 FPS. Now, just comparison. Tignan nyo yung dalawa. So, and may kita nyo, mas bulky ito is because mas ergonomic to, mas madaling hawakan to dahil yung configuration niya is parang may pagka-Xbox na rin yung controller niya. Hindi katulad ng dating model. So, this comes with two variants, yung color black and yung color white. Yung color black niya yung mas mataas, which is the Z2 Extreme, and 24GB na ang kanyang memory. And about the price of this one, syempre, mas mababa sa SRP natin ibebenta to. In case you're interested, message lang kayo dito sa Laptop Factory.